value of the length of a simple pendulum is 20 centimeter with 2 mm accuracy. The time period for 50 oscillation was measured to be 40 seconds. So they given the total time. So T will be equal to here. This is not a time period. Time period is only for one oscillation. They given the time period time of 40 oscillations. Which that means you can say in one oscillation we can say like this. In one oscillation the time is called as T. It's called as T. So in n oscillation the time is called as a T equal to nt. So this is given in the question. No problem. This will not impact any question. And also they are telling that the length of the simple pendulum is delta length they have given 20 centimeter and with 2 mm accuracy. That means that delta L is coming out to be 0.2 centimeter. 2 mm is 0.2 centimeter. And they are also telling that the delta T is coming out to be how much? 1 second. So they are asking that what is the percentage accuracy or from this measurement, the accuracy in the measurement of acceleration due to gravity is percent asking. But one thing you just keep in mind, if T equal to nt, so delta T equal to n delta T. If you write delta T by T is coming out to be what? N get cancelled, so delta T by T. That result is very helpful for you in solving this question. Now we know that T equal to 2 pi under root L by G. So from there you can write directly G is directly proportional to L by T square. So from here you can write delta G by G is written as delta L by L and plus 2 times delta T by T. But we know that delta T by T, that is very helpful for us. So delta G by G percentage error you have to find. So delta G by G percentage will be equal to delta L is 0.2 and by 20 into 100% and plus 2 into delta T is 1, and because now delta T become a small delta T and T become 50, T become 40 and into 100%. By solving this, see this point get removed and this will become 10 and this become 1 by 2, this become half and plus not half, in fact 1 because 2 also get cancelled. So this become this 2 and this 2 also become 1% and this become 2 say 20 and 25 is 100. So this becoming out to be 5%. So the total accuracy is 6% in the value of G. You check the option, the first option only matching with our calculation. So this is the tips for this question. They will not give the time period, they will give the total time, then also no problem. In the case of error, the delta T by T, the rate, the fractional change in time period is equal to fractional change in total time. So here there is no impact of n, so no need to worry for solving this type of question.